Mao. Lesson 6. You are still here? Excellent. Today we count numbers 1 to 20. You know what? Cats are very good at counting. I count mice. I count meals. I count how many times the door opens. 1 mouse, 2 mice, 3 mice. You get the idea. Numbers are everywhere in English. Prices. That's $5. Time. It's 3 o'clock. Age. I am 20 years old. Phone numbers. 555, 1234. You need numbers. Every single day. Lucky for you, English numbers are pretty simple. Well, mostly. There are a few weird ones. I will warn you. Let's count. First, let's learn 1 to 10. The foundation. Master these, the rest gets easier. Repeat after me, slowly and clearly. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8, 9, 9, 10, 10. Good. Now let us do them all together. Faster. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Perfect. You can count to 10. Now some pronunciation tips. 3. Put your tongue between your teeth. 4. 4 sounds like 4. Do not forget the R sound at the end. 5. The I sounds like I. 5. Not thief. 5. 7. 7. 2 syllables. 8 sounds like 8, like eating. Let's practice the tricky ones. Repeat. 3, 5, 7, eat. Excellent. Now 11 to 20. Here is where English gets interesting. Watch carefully. Some of these numbers follow a pattern. Some don't. English is weird like that. Repeat after me. 11, 11. This one is weird. Just memorize it. 12, 12. Also weird. Not too keen. 12, 13. 13. Now we start the pattern. 3 plus teen equals 13. 14. 4 plus teen. 4 plus teen equals 14. 15. 15. 5 plus teen equals 15, but we change 5 to fifth. 16. 16. 6 plus teen equals 16. 17. 17. 7 plus teen equals 17. 18. 18. 8 plus teen equals 18. 19. 19. 9 plus teen equals 19. 20. Back to weird. Not 20. 20. Now let's say them all together. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Again faster. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. You did it. Important pronunciation notes. 11 and 12. These don't follow the pattern. They're just special. Annoying. I know. All the teen numbers. 13, 19. The stress is on the teen part. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Practice bees. Now, let's count from 1 all the way to 20. First, I will do it. You listen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now you do it. Count with me. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Great. Let's do it faster. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And one more time, fast. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Look at you, counting in English. Now let us try something harder. Counting backwards, from a property 1. Why? Because it is good practice, and because sometimes you need to count down, like 10, 9, 8, Happy New Year, 3, 2, 1, go. Watch me first. 2019, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now you try. Repeat after me. 2019, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Excellent. You can count forwards and backwards. Now let's use these numbers in real situations. Situation 1. Counting objects. I see 3 cats. You repeat. I see 3 cats. I have 5 fish. You repeat. I have 5 fish. There are 10 birds. You repeat. There are 10 birds. Situation 2. Saying your age. I am 7 years old. In cat years, That's like 44 human years. You say, I am your age, years old. Situation 3. Price is money. That costs $15. You repeat, that costs $15. I have $20. You repeat, I have $20. Situation 4. Phone numbers. Partial. My number is 555. Practice saying numbers separately. 5, 5, 5, 2, 1, 7, 9, 0, 3. We will learn 0 next lesson. Good practice. Let's make this fun. I will give you some challenges. Challenge 1. Missing numbers. I will count, but skip a number. You tell me which one I skipped. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. What's missing? 5. Try another. 10, 11, 12, 14, 15, 16. What's missing? 13. Challenge 2. Count by twos. Can you count? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Let us try it. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Nice. Challenge 3. Random numbers. I will say random numbers. You repeat them. 7, 13, 18, 9. Perfect. Your brain is getting faster. Homework time. Task 1. Count from 1 to 20 out loud. Do this 5 times today. Once in the morning, once at lunch, once in the evening, 2 more times whenever you want. The more you count, the more natural it becomes. Task 2. Count backwards from 20 to 1. Do this 3 times today. Task 3. Count objects around you in English. Examples. I see 3 chairs. I have 5 books. There are 8 windows. Count at least 10 things today. Task 4. In the comments, write your favorite number between 1 and 20 in English. Example. My favorite number is 7. I like 12. Write it in English. Practice your writing. Guess what? You just finished part 1 of this course. Lessons 1 through 6, done. You have learned the alphabet and sounds, greetings and introductions, how to ask for help, polite words, numbers 120. That is huge. That is a foundation. So in lesson 7 tomorrow, we do something special, a review lesson. We practice everything you learned. We make sure it sticks. We fill in any gaps. Think of it like a checkpoint. We make sure you are solid before we move forward. But today, you learned to count. You can say numbers 120. Now go practice. Count everything. Count your steps. Count your breaths. Count your snacks. Numbers are everywhere. Now you know them. See you tomorrow for the review. Mia.